Brian, Tom Dog, Steel Mall Freak. Hey, just want to wish all the mamas happy Mother's Day. I'm wearing my good old Bubba Gump shirt. My mama says I'm special, so that's my Bubba Gump shirt. Um, anyways, this is another restore video here of the 1970. Oh goodness, oh, sorry. Oh, not good at it. The 1970 MPC 1970 Grand Prix. It was released in 1969, and then it got reboxed in 1969 again before being reboxed. Oh gosh, in the early 70s or whatever. So and then I think the last rebox was in 1985. I don't know. I can't remember. But anyways, yeah. So it's the MPC 125th scale 1970 Grand Prix. It's another glue bomb that I was able to get a hold of, and my challenge, I challenged myself to reuse the same parts that was provided and not try bringing any aftermarket parts or anything. So I try to use what I have. Occasionally, I may have to throw in a radiator or something like that. But anyways, so make it short. Got a slideshow following. Hope you guys like it, and go from there, man. It's kind of like, I want to say like a pimp mobile, but yeah. Anyways, so you guys take care. I hope you guys have a good work week ahead of you, and keep building, guys. See you guys.